Welcome to Help EDUCARE channel. For coming videos, please subscribe this channel and get the videos instantly informed.
Dear students of Standard 4 from Maharashtra Board, today we are going to solve some multiple choice questions from subject EVS Part 2, Chapter 5. Shivaji's Education. Question number 1. Shivaji's education began when he became years old. First option 5, second option 6, third option 7, fourth option 8. Your time starts now. Correct answer is 7. Question number 2. Who was the father of Jijabai? First option Shivaji Raje. Second option Sardar Lakhujirao Jadhav. Third option Dadaji Kondev. Fourth option Sonopant Dabir. Your time starts now. Correct answer is Sardar Lakhujirao Jadhav. Question number 3. Shivaji Raje was the scholar of First option Hindi. Second option Sanskrit. Third option Kannada. Fourth option Tamil. Your time starts now. Correct answer is Sanskrit. Question number 4. Who looked after the Pune Jagir when Jijabai and Shivaji were in Karnataka? First option Shivaji Raje. Second option Sardar Lakhujirao Jadhav. Third option Dadaji Kondev. Fourth option Sonopant Dabir. Your time starts now. Correct answer is Dadaji Kondev. Question number 5. Shivaji felt very happy on seeing the lofty peaks of the on his return to Pune. First option Sahyadri. Second option Malshej. Third option Satmala. Fourth option Selbari. Your time starts now. Correct answer is Sahyadri. Question number 6. Shivaji married Saibai from the Nimbalkar family of First option Verul. Second option Sinkhe. Third option Mudhol. Fourth option Fulton. Your time starts now. Correct answer is Fulton. Question number 7. Which city had been ruined and devastated by enemies of Shivaji Raje? First option Pune. Second option Raigad. Third option Karnataka. Fourth option Khandesh. Your time starts now. Correct answer is Pune. Question number 8. Who was the Subhedar of Kondhana? First option, Shahaji Raje. Second option, Sardar Lakhujirao Jadhav. Third option, Dadaji Kondev. Fourth option, Sonopant Dabir. Your time starts now. Correct answer is Dadaji Kondev. Question number 9. Which of the following book Shivaji did not learn to read on his own? First option, Mahabharat. Second option, Ramayana. Third option, Bhagavad. Fourth option, Buddha Charitra. Your time starts now. Correct answer is Buddha Charitra. Question number 10. Shivaji did not acquire knowledge in dash with the help of able teachers. First option, excellent administration. Second option, war tactics. Third option, calligraphy. Fourth option, fort architecture. Your time starts now. Correct answer is calligraphy.
Thank you for watching Help EDUCARE channel. For coming videos, please subscribe this channel and get the videos instantly informed.